triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God in the highest. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your helpless song? Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. See him in the mangle, whom the choirs of angels praise. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid, while our hearts in love we raise. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. In excelsis Deo.
What child is this who lay to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping, whom angels greet with anthems sweet? angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him, Lord, the babe, the Son of Mary. So bring him incense, gold and myrrh, compassion, King, to own him. The King of kings salvation brings. Let loving hearts enthrone him. Raise, raise a song on high. The Virgin sings her lullaby. Joy, joy, for Christ is born, the babe, the Son of Mary. This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him, Lord, the babe, the Son of Mary. Told lies. I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me. I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to chance. This year Santa's coming home to me.
In the spirit of being real, if you've stayed right to the end, I'll show you what our house actually looks like. Because of the puppy, we have our dining room, you know, like quarantined off from her. This is a sort of new rug, so while she's still so new, we don't want to have her have any accidents or anything. Although she's pretty good in the house, I just don't want to risk it. So we do have that, and then we normally have, you know, dog toys all over. There's a hockey net down there that keeps her from going upstairs. And then over here we've got her dog bed. And I think you may have seen it, but her crate is here as well. So that's more what the house actually looks like on the day-to-day. But for the video, I took that gate down.
There's a rumor spreading all over town, but of course it's not true. They say Santa ain't coming around. Trust me, I'm waiting